Hi, artists. This week's activity is called Big Surprise Animals. Artists have been using animals in artwork ever since artwork was first created. Here is some cave art in Lascaux, France, painted 20,000 years ago. This painting is called Paradise Landscape with Animals by Jan Bruegel the Elder, painted in 1615. And called, this one is painted by Gerrit Doe in 1650, excuse me. Artists constantly think of more creative ways to represent animals in their artwork. Here is some Aboriginal art. This one is by Pablo Picasso, Diego Partal, Laurel Birch, and Henry Rousseau. Which one of these artworks are your favorite, and why? Is it a portrait or a figure? Let's learn the difference between a portrait and a figure. A portrait is a work of art showing only a face. That can be from waist up. A figure is when the whole body is showing, or at least the majority of it. So your challenge is to create a big mouth portrait or a figure, it's your choice, that has a surprise in its mouth. First, you're going to gather your materials, pencils, markers, crayons, white paper, or an envelope, and think and plan. What creature would you like to draw? Look at some of the examples and expressions on the next two slides. Then you're going to create. And there's a short video that we can see to see the step-by-step instructions. Then upload it to Google Classroom and Flipgrid. Let's watch this little video together to see what I mean. Notice how the nose is on top of the fold and the mouth line is right at the fold. So as you're watching this video, pay attention to where the mouth line is at the fold. Also, notice how this person is showing their artwork folded and then they pop it open for the surprise. So when you open and upload your video to Flipgrid, show it closed and open so we can see both forms of your artwork. So let's take a look at our Google Classroom so we can see the step-by-step instructions. You can click here and it will take you to a link, but this is what it looks like. This is what the video looks like when you open it up. And this goes with, it tells you all the step-by-step instructions of how to make the folding surprise animal. Let's go look at some examples of expressions and some examples on the next two slides. Here are some examples. You see the unicorn and how it looks when you open it up, the ladybug, the cat, the fish, the person, the dog, and the alien. You can choose one of these to try, or you can make your own. Here are some facial expressions that you might want to try on your artwork. Also, I have included a playlist with all different kinds of folding surprise drawings. You can choose any of these to draw, and this goes over all the how-to steps. And this link is also included in my Google Classroom. So you can see so many different ones, and you can choose your favorite one to draw. And it also gives you more ideas of what you might want to draw. Once you have decided what you want to draw, you're going to go to Flipgrid and you're going to enter this code. The link is directly in the Google Classroom. You can upload your video of your folding surprise picture. The links to the how-to video, the slideshow that I just showed you, and the playlist link is here. And you can click this and you can record your response to your folding big mouth animal surprise. I can't wait to see what surprising portrait or figure you create that has a surprise in its mouth. See you soon, friends.